hot mug of mood tea. And when I do, I know that 100% of the profits support youth mental health charities. But I don't drink it because I'm a great guy. I drink it because it's a great tea. The Jolly Good English Breakfast Tea is full-bodied and rich in amino acids, which helps me warm up while I warm up a motorcycle. Mood tea. All the profits go to charity. All the tea goes to you.
Pause your internet, up your data for a day, or turbocharge your home internet speed. Take control of your connection. With the Optus Living Network, it starts with yes. T's and C's, eligibility criteria and fair go policy apply. See website for details and prices.
At Pieface, our barista coffee is made with freshly roasted, award-winning 100% Arabica beans right here in Australia.
Oh, shit.
It's the perfect blend to make you a deliciously convenient coffee. And for a limited time, get a free travel mug with any Pieface barista coffee purchase.